my name is Adyan. Today I'm going to teach you how to make one Lynx class that you have seen some games like Shadow Fight 2. In that one person name will be Lynx. You will have some clause. That clause now I'm going to teach you how to make it by these all building set. So let's start. For that you would need these two things and this also. You have mostly seen that that Lynx will have three clauses. One will be at the middle, another will be here, another will be here. So in my hand this is fitting. It is fitting. In my hand it is fitting like this. Your hand size should be like this. So you want to make the Lynx clause something like. So you want the Lynx clause like this, something like this, no? But you'll not have three big one. So I'll tell you that also. So let's start. So for that you'll need this thing, this one part, and then take one big one, stick on like this, and then it should be up of here. Take a small screw. In this clause you will only need small screws, no big screws, not a single big screw. If you want to use big screw then you can, but don't do something like, you should put the screw from this side, not from this side. First of all, put the screw at something like this. It should be like this. Don't put it from this side, put it from this side. Some song is only. Then take one screw and then tighten up here. Tighten up, but be careful little bit that this should be straight. It should not be slanting. Okay, like this. It's straight. Done. Now take this thing, and then whenever you will get this part, then you will get one big part like this and you will get one small one. So put this one. You should hold it like something like this. A tall part should be plugged here in this side. If you will plug it over here, then this thing will come here. Okay, and then take one small screw and put it towards down. See, down, and then tighten up with one screw. Tighten up very nice. Done. Now you would be thinking that why I have did like this, because you just see at what I'll do. So now when we did do this, now we'll do something else also. Take one more big one. And then take one normal size. Okay, and then take one small one. Only one small one, and then you have to see that how it is matching to this size. First of all, you should hold it like this. So this is the size. I'm seeing the size. Now just put a screw over here. Okay. Okay. Now when you will take this one, then tighten up here. See, when you will tighten up, then it will get same size. See, now with this it will become 2 more. Now take this one and take this one what you just now made it and put it and plug it here. Take one small screw, or you can do something like this should be here. Okay, done. Then put this here and plug it by some plug it here. Okay. Done. I have did this. Now the last one is the another big one. You have to plug it here. So in this you will need this one. Okay. And then try to plug it this side. Try to plug it this side. So I have plugged it this side. Take this big screw, this big thing, and then plug it here, and then this is the tricky step. Then push it like this and take this screw and then tighten up in this side. But you would be thinking that how you will fit it because this is fat. That is also a way that you can do something like take this screw. Okay, this screw is there. Take it back. Okay, when you'll do it like this, then you can fit this. You take this back and then you can fit it and then roll it. It'll be little bit. This is little bit tricky step. That's why watch it carefully because it's for difficult to me to also to show you. Claw is just going to get ready, but the thing is that don't think that this is the last step. There are one more step that will be the last. There will be one more step, but let me just tighten it properly. For doing the middle one will be little bit hard. Because you should be careful for that also, that these also not fall down. So I will just pause the video and then I'll show you. So I have tightened up. Okay, I have tightened up it. Now see, this part has got already ready now. this part I got ready. Now this is the last thing, and in this you would need in this you would need 3 small one. I will bring the small one now. Okay, so I bought 3 like this. Now when you get 3 of this, then take 3 this also, and then 3 screws also. Now see, this step will be easy. Put this slanting little bit for making the nail something like this. Put it like this. Take one screw and put it by outdoor. Should be little stand. Take screw, tighten up it tightly. Go. Done. Wait a minute. Okay, but should be little bit careful also that the middle this thing should not fall down. Now take the second one, what is here, and then put this also here and do the same thing how you did with this side. This one. Do it nicely and properly. Put one screw here. Tighten up. By doing the middle one will be little bit hard. Then now do the last one, and this is the last. And just put. Just okay. Now just tighten up the down one also very nicely, and check it also that it is loose or what, and then do something like this for making it straight. Should be a little bit open. Okay, and then your claw has got ready, and then I'll show you that how to wear it. So for wearing it, put your 2 fingers this side and 2 fingers this side. Okay. So now I'll tell you that how it looks. So see this. So your Lynx claws has got ready. So friends, I was joking. So friends, if you like this video, then please subscribe it and give a like. Then till that time, thank you.